Welcome to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and today I want to show you how I made this carrot pie. Now just sit back and watch, and I'll show you how I made this beautiful, delicious carrot pie. The thing we're going to need is we're going to need a pie shell, and we're going to have to put this parchment paper over it. I'm going to pour in some beans. That should be about enough to hold it. That's just to hold the weight down for the pie, so it don't bubble up or anything. And we're going to put this into the oven for 400 degrees for about 30 to 40. You need 2 cups of chopped, softened carrots. You don't have to boil it, but you can if you want to. You can get canned. 2nd cup of carrots, because you need 2 cups of carrots. 3 to 4 cups of Splendid or regular sugar. You need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, at least 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just 1 teaspoon. 2 eggs. You need 3 to 4 cups of milk, and then we're going to give this a good. Okay, we're going to give this a good mix. Get that all combined together. We'll come back in a few minutes. And now it's starting to combine just a little bit. Not quite there yet though. We'll come back to see it in a few minutes. Done heating up the pie. Now it's time to put in the pie filling. Okay. Look at that pie. I just cut me a piece right here, a small one. And we're going to do a taste test on this. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is. Look at close to that. Look at that. Oh my God, that was so good. It tastes just like a pumpkin pie. Except better. Oh my God, that's so good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification so you get more upcoming videos like this. And yeah, you'll have